Oh, have you ever dreamed of working as a medical professional in the USA? Picture the allure of the United States, a land of opportunities and advancements, especially in the medical field. Imagine being part of a vibrant, diverse community of healthcare professionals, pioneering cutting-edge treatments and making a difference in countless lives. This dream might seem distant, yet it's closer than you think. But how can you turn this dream into reality? Let's delve into the process. The journey towards working as a medical professional in the USA starts with understanding the immigration process. Firstly, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria. This includes having relevant education in the medical field. For most, this means a degree from a recognized university. Nursing, pharmacy, medical, and dental degrees are among those commonly accepted. Secondly, you need experience. This typically involves completing a residency or a period of supervised practice in your home country. Next, you'll need to be licensed to practice in the USA. This involves passing the United States Medical Licensing Examination, or USMLE for short. Finally, to work in the USA, you'll need a visa sponsor. This can be an employer who is willing to hire you and support your visa application. Once you meet these criteria, the next step is choosing the right visa. There are several visa types that medical professionals can apply for. Let's delve into the most common ones. First, we have the H-1B visa, which is designed for those in specialty occupations. This could be an ideal choice if you have a unique skill set or special education that sets you apart. Next up is the J-1 visa, perfect for exchange visitors. If you're looking to gain experience in the US and bring that knowledge back to your home country, this could be the ticket. Lastly, we have the EB-2 visa for advanced degree professionals. If you hold a master's degree or higher or have exceptional ability in your field, this visa could open doors for you. Each of these visas has its own set of conditions and benefits. It's crucial to understand these details to identify which one aligns best with your career goals and personal circumstances. After deciding on the right visa, it's time to start the application process. The application process may seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's absolutely manageable. It begins with submitting accurate and comprehensive forms, followed by attending interviews. Throughout this process, thoroughness and honesty are your best allies. After submitting your application, the waiting game begins. Approval can sometimes be a lengthy process, so patience is key. Remember, every step brings you closer to your dream, and that, in a nutshell, is how you can start your journey towards working as a medical professional in the USA. But you don't have to navigate this complex process alone. Enter move2usajobs.com, your guiding light in this journey. This website is a treasure trove of resources, offering invaluable advice and guidance specifically for medical professionals. It simplifies the immigration process, breaking down each step, and helps you understand your visa options. Also, it connects you with potential employers. Move2usajobs.com is your companion, making your path clearer and smoother. With Move2usajobs.com, your dream of working as a medical professional in the USA is closer than you think.